Hey guys, I'm Jenny Gray with GSG. We are in Orlando for ISA 2024. Come see us at booth 623. I'm here today to talk about Principal LEDs, who's now Principal Industries. GSG has been partnered with Principal LED since their inception in 2011. Since then, they have grown tremendously, from 20 employees to hundreds. Last year, Principal LED launched the Synergy line. It is a line of modules and sticks for all your signage needs, from channel letters to retrofitting cabinets to very large, deep cabinets that you can do now with one row of LED. Their Synergy line also includes a life of the sign warranty, which is huge in our industry. Last year, Principal LED acquired Hanley LED, and we are proud to say that we're now stocking, so that is another LED option for all of your signage needs. Please stop by and visit us.